Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily convert an OPF folder or document or a book to another format. To begin, simply open your browser and type Calibre. Once you see www.calibre-ebook.com, click on it to open. Download and install this little software. It won't take more than 1 minute for you. Once done, make sure to open the software and click to drag your book or document inside the software. Once done, right-click and select Convert Books and select Convert individually. You can change the title, the authors, the author sort, etc. And in the output format, make sure to choose the formatting or the format which you want. As at this stage, I want MovBI and select OK. If you see the error, just close it and retry again. You will see the jobs being progressed in the bottom in the right and wait for a few seconds. Once done, you will see as the status is finished, just click to close. Right-click on your document and select Save to Disk. Save to disk in a single folder and select exactly in which folder you want to save your document. Once done, select Folder and the saving will begin. The file will open again and here you will see your document newly or freshly saved. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.